Hey everybody, please don't mind my skin. My eczema seemed to flare up over the weekend. But speaking of which, what a weekend. Awesome snowmobiling. Got to fly the drone, hang out with my parents. Fortunately, I crashed my, well, I didn't crash, I busted up the A-arm on my sled, which is why I was riding this one yesterday. Now I gotta get my sled to the back of that truck, and now it's snowing. Right. There are the ramps. The expedition, I didn't get to ride much. And here is the Boost with the busted knuckle. Here, let's see it there. Oh yeah, crunched. Oh, start this bitch up. Hey ho! I love snowmobiling, but it is a lot of work sometimes. The gap, mind the gap. Nice. Pittsburgh Center, baby. I love this place. Only a little 4.5 hour ride home. No big deal. What's that? Nothing. Oh, it's a VR1, Dad. Better be the same AM.
The other ones are round, aren't they? We'll look at it right now. I mean, I'm just saying they might. It'll still fit. I'm just.
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying? The other ones are round. This is probably a stronger.
I hope so. It looks like it's billet. But that also probably means I ordered the nice one.
It's the right one, but it's just.
Yeah. Like, turn the heat on. This is our thermostat. When it gets hot, the thermostat, you shut it off. Yeah, pull the micro. And back the truck up.
What's the fan for?
To move air. You know what sucks about you holding a video camera?
You can't help.
Yep. I gotta do everything.
Oh, am I gonna help? You don't want me to help?
Huh?
You don't want me to help?
You gotta make cool videos. This is how you do a ramp. I mean, they're still not cheap.
No. Oops.
Maybe I didn't put that in the best spot.
Shouldn't have done that.
First time I had two-stroke smoking.
Tore up the garage.
Huh?
Just put streaks in your garage.
This thing looks like it's machined.
Yeah. That's heavy duty. It's a better design. It's less likely to bend
Well,
than the
yeah,
tube steel.
This isn't gonna crease like that thing did.
Yeah. Well, that is tube steel. Doesn't matter. You gotta take it off anyway.
No, I'm just making sure it's the right dimensions. It looks short. It is. It's fucking short. Oh! It's the wrong arm.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks. You were the wrong one, or they sent the wrong one?
Oh, that's fucking awful.
Yeah, it's not like you're going up right away.
No, but the A-arm was $300.
Yeah, but you send it back and get the right one.
Well, like an absolute idiot, I ordered the wrong A-arm. So...
You might need one?
God, that's so aggravating.
Too bad Joey doesn't have a sled anymore.
You're not helping, dude.
I crack me up.
Yeah, it makes one of us. What's up, everybody? All right, we are back in business. It's another day. I know I said I was going to turn that into 2 videos, but I think I'm just going to keep it into 1. We finally have the right A-arm, thank God. Maybe I shouldn't be allowed to order parts on my own because I never seem to get it right. But yeah, so let's dig into this shit. A-arm, really chooched in the back there. Let me get some bolts and nuts out of here. Alright, let's get going. I just gotta get the right stuff and get this busted A-arm out. So pretty simple. You got the bolt out of the spindle, bolt out of the sway bar. Now you're gonna unbolt from the bulkhead. Really not a big job, but can be a pain in the ass. The bolt on the sway bar might be a little stripped, so hopefully that's not too bad. All the bolts are out. Take our little smasher. That's that. That should pull right off of there. Ooh, careful, I don't want to pull the sled off the jack. Well, that wasn't a big deal, but God, did I crunch that. Ooh, there's a new one, the old one. Good. All right, everything back together, all tightened up, swindles back together, spindle, swindle, silly. All right. Just might be back in business, folks.
A little bit of a rough shot there.
think that will conclude the Boost repair video. Man, fucking work on this bike. Everybody, have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. We're heading up to New Hampshire in a couple days to do some riding. Hope to make some great videos for you guys. Peace.